Halacha for today, holding on the 21st day of Cheshvan, the obligation to say the blessing of Asher Yatzar, the blessing when you go out of the bathroom during the day. So throughout the day, you're obligated to wash your hands once you come out of the bathroom. Whatever you did in the bathroom, it doesn't make a difference. The best thing is to wash your hands 3 times, but alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and after you dry your hands, you should say the blessing of Asher Yatzar, thanking Hashem that all the openings we have can open and our digestive system can work, and that we are healthy. A person that can go to the bathroom, it means that he is healthy, he is capable of going to the bathroom. If a person forgot to say the bracha of Asher Yatzar, if he doesn't need to go to the bathroom once again, he should say the bracha as soon as he remembers that he forgot. He should say the bracha of Asher Yatzar. But if he remembered after that he needed to go to the bathroom again, suddenly he feels he has to go to the bathroom, and he remembered, oh, last time I went, I didn't say the bracha. יברך פעם אחת אשר יצר אחר עשייתך ועולה לו 2 פעמים. So you should say 1 time אשר יצר, and it will take care of the 2 times, the 2 visits that he had in the bathroom. A person that has to go to the bathroom many times, if he feels like the people that have issues, physical issues, they have to go to the bathroom many times and they feel like they didn't really relieve themselves properly, they have to relieve themselves again and again. So what is he going to do? Every 2 seconds he's going to say the bracha. So if he still has in mind that he's going to the bathroom again soon, lo yivarech, he shouldn't say the bracha right now. Only when he feels that he is done, then he should say the bracha. Even though a few minutes later he felt like he has to go to the bathroom again, he should say the bracha again, Asher Yatzar. So if he felt like he did it, that's it, he's done for now, he should say the bracha. But then if afterward he felt that he needs to go again and he went, he doesn't have to say Asher, he has to say Asher Yatzar once again. So this is the halacha for today.